Kinja served as first captain of the White Scars during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. A warrior of repute before his ascension as an Astartes, Kinja would fight alongside his Primarch Jaghatai during his conquest of Chagoris. A master of hunting in his youth, Kinja would be favored by his Primarch due to his exceptional skill in battle prior to and after the formation of the Ordu of Jaghatai. Master of the elite First Company, the Keshig, Kinja would counsel his Genefather and even challenge his commands and decisions as one of his most loyal and trusted sons. A true force of nature, his speed in battle would remain even when garbed in his bulky Terminator armor plating. Gifted with a keen intelligence and an understanding of the flow of battle, Kinja's twin power sword Dao, the Tails of the Dragon, would rend the enemies of the Scars without relent, encouraging his men to follow in his example of not only battle prowess, but also challenging of his Primarch's actions. Kinja would train his elite forces to always rely on their instincts and code of honor. After 4 years of leading his forces in battle against the traitors of the Horus Heresy, Kinja would face the Emperor's Children Lord Commander, Eidolon, at the Callium Gate. Mortally wounded by the Soul Severed, Kinja would be rescued from the killing blow by his brother-in-arms, Revuel Arvida of the Thousand Suns. Aboard the Lance of Heaven, Kinja would drift into the endless sleep in the presence of his stalwart friend, safe in the knowledge that his sacrifice would allow his legion to survive another day.